someone who's aiming for CLAT 2026 but totally confused about where and how to begin. Maybe you are in a 12th and juggling school and entrance preparation, or maybe you have taken a drop to give this exam your full focus. Either way, you are in the right place. Because in this video, I'm going to walk you through a complete roadmap: how to start, what to focus on, how to manage your time, and most importantly, what mistakes to avoid. Guys, stick around till the end, and I will also tell you how Global Online can help you make your CLAT journey much smoother with structured guidance and test series and mentorship. So, guys, let's begin with the basics. The exam pattern. Trust me, understanding the pattern makes a big difference. CLAT 2026 is expected to have the same format as per 2025. That is 120 questions to be solved in a 2 hours. All the questions are comprehension based, so instead of direct facts, they will give you a small passage and ask questions based on your understanding. Here is the subject wise breakup. For English language, around 22 to 26 questions are expected. For current affairs, including general knowledge, 28 to 32 questions are expected here. For legal reasoning, 28 to 32 questions. For logical reasoning, 22 to 26 questions. And that are for quantitative techniques, 10 to 14 question. So yes, it's not about mugging up 500 GK fact or solving 100 math sums daily. It's about understanding what you read, connecting the dots, and applying logic quickly and accurately. So guys, now if you are in a 12th, I know it feels overwhelming: board exams, school lectures, CLAT preparation, all at once, but relax, you still have time, and we just need to start it smartly. Here is your strategy from now till December, when most students begin mock seriously. Start with the English, legal reasoning, and GK. These are the most scoring and require regular reading. Make a reading habit. Take 20 to 30 minutes daily and read the Hindu or Indian Express editorials. Even if you don't understand everything at first, just keep reading. Your comprehension will improve. From June to September, give 2 hours daily for a CLAT preparation. From October onward, increase it to 3 to 4 hours, especially after your school pressure reduces. Use Sundays and holidays for a mock test, even if it's just one full paper a week. But don't just give the test, analyze your mistakes, note down your weak areas, and revise. Remember, this is not about perfection. You are building habits and will help you peak in the December. There is a strategy for droppers. If you are a dropper, you have got a different advantage, that is the time. But don't waste this time in the name of unlimited time. Here is a simple weekly structure for you. Ready 4 to 5 hours daily, but divide it wisely across all the subjects. Set a fixed day for a mock test and analysis. For example, you can set it on Sunday. Do alternate day current affairs. Don't let GK pile up. You have to do it regularly. End of every month, keep in mind, do a complete revision of that month's legal and general knowledge content. Try to finish a legal and logical basics by August, so you can start revision and full length mock test early. See guys, a lot of droppers fall into the trap of perfection or over planning. Don't do that. Just start, because imperfect actions is better than perfect planning. Let's now talk about what exactly you should study subject by subject. So start with the reading comprehension practice. Read passages and solve related questions. Then you have to build your vocabulary. Note down difficult words from editorials. Okay, that will help you in the later future. Go back to grammar basics, sentence corrections, prepositions, subject verb agreements. Then for GK and current affairs, read editorials daily. Use monthly current affairs compilations. Then focus on static topics too: constitution, judiciary, fundamental rights, and historical events. For legal reasoning, understand the legal principle like tort, contract, and criminal law. That is important in this case. Solve legal reasoning passages. Learn from important landmark cases. Not too many, just the relevant ones. So logical reasoning. For this, practice puzzles and seating arrangement. Do questions based on passage-based reasoning, arguments, and conclusion, etc. So if you study in a small blocks like 40 minutes legal, 30 minutes general knowledge, you will stay focused and cover everything. Now let me help you to visualize a daily routine. For 12 student who is a school going, morning before school, you can read one editorial for 30 minutes. In the evening, give 1 hour to legal, then 30 minutes to GK, 30 minutes for reading comprehension practice, weekly mock tests on Sundays. These are the essential one. So those guys who are droppers, in the morning session, focus on GK, legal reasoning for 2 hours. In the afternoon, solve 2 to 3 practice sets or sectional mocks. In the evening, focus on a mock or legal logical practice and analysis as well. Try sticking to this routine at least for 5 days a week, and don't be too harsh on yourself if one day doesn't go as planned. There are some common mistakes. Now, here is the part most people ignore what not to do. First one is relying only on coaching. See, I'll attend lectures and automatically I will get better. This is not a case. Self study is a must. Ignoring current affairs, especially if you leave them for at last 1 month, big mistake. They carry 25% weightage. Delaying mock till October. Many students avoid mock because they feel not ready, but honestly, mock tests are the best way to get ready. Not analyzing mistakes. Giving a mock and moving on doesn't help. Sit with your mistakes, understand them, fix them. Success in a CLAT isn't about being the smartest. It's about being the most consistent and reflective. So guys, if you feel like you need a structured guide, someone to walk with you throughout, that's exactly what Global Online is here for. We have batches for CLAT 2026, and these includes topic-wise videos that breaks down each subject in simple language, sectional and full-length mock test also there, mentorship support for doubt, motivation, and planning. So guys, if you're serious about CLAT, this platform can become your daily companion. So what are you waiting for? Don't wait for the perfect day to start. That day is today. Start small, maybe 1 hour today, 2 hours tomorrow, but be regular. If you found this video helpful, like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for weekly updates, strategies, and free content. Let's crack CLAT 2026 together, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.